Credit cards aren't evil, but most South Africans are using them completely wrong. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Truth 1. Your credit card company makes money every time you only pay the minimum. That 5,000 Rand balance could take 7 years to pay off with minimum payments. Truth 2. Credit cards charge up to 22% interest per year in South Africa. That's the most expensive money you can borrow. Truth 3. Used correctly, a credit card can actually build your credit score and give you free purchase protection. The rule is simple. Only spend what you already have in your bank account. Pay the full balance every single month. Never pay interest. Use it like a debit card. Get the benefits. Pay 0 interest. Follow Rand Smart. Money tips that actually work.